I'm with Jennifer Tampasis of Jennifer Lynn Interior. She's from Kingston, New York. Let's first talk about trends you've seen at these trade shows.
All right, so the biggest trend that I'm noticing is how wellness and smart home technology are really becoming a marriage together. My perfect example is Mr. Steam, where we are seeing how the steam can help you with your physical and anxiety and washing that away, but you're also marrying it with the smart home technology where you can drive up in your car from work, say, hey, Alexa, turn on my steam, and you get into your home, you're undressing, you're walking into that steam shower, and you're just washing away the stress. So that's where the technology and the wellness are really coming and playing a smart marriage together.
How do you think technology will influence design in the future?
So what we're seeing is that it is growing, again, marrying it with the wellness is bringing safety to you. So you can have all of these apps come in together into one, for instance, with Control 4. They're making it so that you can, again, leave your home knowing that your lights are off, that your home is locked up and whatnot. And then on the opposite end, coming home to a bright home where you know that you're going to be safe as you walk into that.